Hello guys, today I'm doing pineapple cake. This is the pineapple chopped. This is the pan to bake with it. This is my flour. In here is my soya flour, bocos flour, and coconut flour. So this is the wheat flour I'm gonna use, wheat flour. You see, so this is my egg, beaten egg here with oil, olive oil, vanilla extract. I put in vanilla extract. I put in my syrup. I'm not using sugar. You can use sugar. I'm using this maple syrup. Then my olive oil to spray on the pan. So what I did, I put in my honey in the bowl, put in my vanilla essence, put in my syrup, and beat the egg all together in here. So I just mix it now. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna put in my powder. In this here, this is my baking powder here. So I'm gonna put a bit of my flour in here. Putting a bit of all this, mix all this together. Putting in there. So they are all healthy flour I'm using. You can use normal white flour, but because I want to be healthy, so I'm very conscious of what I use in my baking, because I eat from it as well, so I'm very, very conscious. I'm just beating one more egg in there. I'm putting my baking powder. Mix everything together. The oven is on now. So I'm gonna tip in my pineapple. Pineapple in there. Mix all together. Then put in some little some powder as well in back again. Flour, sorry. In there before I put it in the oven to bake for 20-25 minutes. So I'll tip in some flour again in there. This is pineapple cake. So I'm putting it in the baking pan now. It's just a little pineapple cake, just for two. So you can make it, if you want to bake for 3 or 4, you got to put a lot of ingredients in it there. So that is the cake now. Gonna go in there. So I'm gonna put it in the oven now for about 20-25 minutes. In there, open the oven, look at the oven. So I'm gonna put in there for 20-25 minutes. It's very simple to make, you know. Keep practicing, then you get there, you know. So cheers guys for all my subscribers, and keep subscribing, and take care, and bye.